So good morning students, welcome back. Today in this chapter magnetism, we'll discuss element of Earth's magnetic field. Okay, elements of Earth's magnetic field. What is elements of Earth's magnetic field? If you want to know about the magnetic properties of Earth, okay, we require three parameters, and that parameters are said to be elements of Earth magnetic field. It means, in short, we can say those parameters, those constant, okay, those physical quantities that require to represent magnetism, to represent about magnetic property, okay, complete magnetic property of Earth is said to be elements of Earth magnetic field. Look at students, I'm going to read the language. The Earth's magnetic field at place can be completely described by three parameters, which are called magnetic elements. These elements gives information about the Earth's magnetic field. It means those parameters that gives about the magnetism of Earth, about the magnetic property of Earth, are said to be elements of Earth's magnetic field. Okay, these are three numbers. First is angle of declination. Second one, angle of inclination. It is also said to be angle of dip. And third is horizontal component of Earth's magnetic field. Okay, so these are the three parameters are said to be elements of Earth magnetic field, which gives about the magnetic property of Earth. Okay, before starting these elements of Earth magnetic field, we require two important definition: geographic meridian and magnetic meridian. So let's start first with magnetic meridian. Okay, students. Now students, the first definition that we are going to discuss is magnetic meridian. What is magnetic meridian? Okay, actually magnetic meridian means, suppose this is magnet, okay, this is magnet. So the vertical plane, okay, the vertical plane that passes from the axis of magnet. Suppose this is the axis of magnet, okay, and this plane that passing through the axis of magnet, okay, this plane is said to be magnetic meridian. In short, we can say the area, okay, vertical area above that passes from the axis of magnet is said to be magnetic meridian. In short, we can say the area in that space, okay, above the magnet is said to be magnetic meridian. That is the reason, okay, above the magnet and that passes from the axis of magnet. Look at the definition. The vertical plane, look at this vertical plane, okay, passing through the magnetic axis of a freely suspended small magnet is called magnetic meridian. It means we can assume, okay, this is not visible, just we can assume, suppose this is the axis of magnet and this area that passes from the axis of magnet and it's vertical. So we can say, in short, we can say the area above the magnet, this space is said to be magnetic meridian that passes from the axis of magnet. It is an area, okay, above the magnet, in short we can say. On the other hand, we have geographic meridian. Obvious, the area, the vertical area, okay, on the geographic north and south pole of the Earth is said to be geographic meridian. It means, suppose this is Earth, and this vertical area above the Earth's surface is said to be geographic meridian. The vertical plane passing through the geographic north and south pole is called geographic meridian. Suppose this is Earth and this is north and this, so this area, suppose this is north pole of Earth and this is south pole of Earth, so this vertical plane that we assume is said to be geographic meridian that passes from the surface of Earth. Okay, so these two definitions we'll use in elements of Earth magnetic field. So we'll start with first angle of declination. Look at friends, the first elements of Earth's magnetic field is angle of declination represented by theta. Okay, what will be the definition? It is defined as an angle between geographic meridian and magnetic meridian. Look at this is open book diagram. Okay, I made this diagram like this. Okay, you can make. So look at since this axis passes from the geographic north and south of the Earth. This is called geographic meridian. So this is called geographic meridian. On the other hand, this axis passing from the axis of magnet, that is called magnetic meridian. So angle between this is geographic meridian and that is magnetic meridian. So angle between geographic meridian and magnetic meridian is said to be angle of declination theta. So this open book angle is said to be angle of declination. This is geographic meridian and this is magnetic meridian. So this angle is said to be, this open book angle, this angle is said to be angle of declination. So geographic meridian I shown here like PQRS and PMNS, that is magnetic meridian. So angle MPQ, this angle lies between geographic meridian and magnetic meridian. So it is said to be angle of declination. Understood, students? Now students, the second elements of earth magnetic field is angle of inclination or angle of dip. It is represented by this sign delta. Okay. So look at students, this is magnetic meridian and vector B is representing the total magnetic field of earth. Okay. Vector B is representing total magnetic field of earth that having two component, horizontal component BH and vertical component BV. BH is horizontal component of earth magnetic field and BV is the vertical component of earth magnetic field. This is angle of inclination. Okay. So how can we define, students? Look at B is total magnetic field of earth and BH its horizontal component. So we can say the angle made by total magnetic field of earth with its horizontal component is said to be angle of inclination or angle of dip. It is represented by delta. If this is delta, that is also delta because that is alternate angle. So simple, the angle made by total magnetic field of earth with its horizontal component, this angle is said to be angle of inclination. And final element of earth magnetic field is horizontal component of earth magnetic field. So in that third we'll find horizontal component as well as vertical component and relation between them. Okay, students? Now students, we'll find component of earth magnetic field. As know, this is magnetic meridian and capital B is representing total magnetic field of earth that having two component, horizontal component BH and vertical component BV. Okay, and delta is angle of inclination, angle of dip. So magnetic field is a vector quantity. So what is total magnetic field of earth? Vector BH plus vector BV. This equation will represent total magnetic field of earth. By applying law of vector addition, how can you find the magnitude of this vector quantity? That root BH square plus 2 BH BV cos theta plus BV square. What is theta? This angle is theta. Angle between BV and BH. So BV is perpendicular to BH. Theta is 90. Cos 90 is what? 0. So this portion will be 0. So remaining portion will be BH square plus BV square. Root of BH square plus BV square. So this equation will represent total magnetic field of earth. Okay. We can find total magnetic field of earth using this equation. That's why it is said to be elements of earth magnetic field. Okay. Now we have to find separately the horizontal and vertical components. So in this triangle PQR, I'm not applying sine delta. Okay, perpendicular by hypotenuse. This side is perpendicular, that is BV. Opposite to 90, B is hypotenuse, so BV by V. Now we have to find the vertical component cross multiply B sine delta. So what is vertical component of magnetic field? B sine delta. Similarly, in this triangle, I'm multiplying cos delta, base by hypotenuse. Base is BH, opposite to 90, B is hypotenuse. Cross multiply will get BH as B cos delta. So that is the vertical component of earth magnetic field, that is horizontal component of earth magnetic field. When we divide, equation third divide by 4, BV divided by BH, B to B cancel out, sine by cos become 10. And when we cross multiply, we can get BV equals to BH 10 delta. That is the relation between horizontal as well as vertical component of earth magnetic field. So these are the three elements of earth magnetic field: angle of declination, angle of inclination, and the horizontal component of earth magnetic field. Okay, students, thank you.